Okay, so to begin setting up your business account and start changing some of the settings within your account, go ahead and click on the settings tab down here in the bottom left corner once you're on the dashboard. This will then automatically bring you to the business profile settings tab within the settings here on the left hand side. So to get started setting up your business account, go ahead and fill in all the information here under general information. So this is uploading your business logo, putting in your business name, your legal business name, and things such as your business email, business phone, domain, website, niche, and filling in all of this and then finally clicking update information to save it. Next then we have business physical address. So this is just putting in the street address, city, zip code, state, country, time zone, and more here in this box. So go ahead and fill these in with all the correct information again, just like we did here in general information. After you've inputted all this information, go ahead and click on update and this will save all of this information on your account. Next, we have business information. So this is a little bit more on the legal side of your business. So things like business type. Are you a cooperative, a corporation, an LLC, a sole proprietorship? Or are you based outside of the US in different countries? And does your business have a different kind of entity set up? Next is business industry. So go ahead and click on the industry that you're in and go ahead and click on the registration ID type. So again, going back to if you're based outside of the US and you don't have an EIN, then you may have a company number if you're in the UK, you may have a CCN if you're in Canada, or an ACN if you're in Australia. If you don't have any of these things, you can go ahead and click on other, and then you can put the business registration number into the following box down here. If you're a sole proprietorship, for example, or a sole trader and your business is not registered, you can click on my business is not registered and this will gray out the box. And then finally, go ahead and click on where in the world that you are operating in, what region are you operating in. And once this is all set up, go ahead and click on update information. And again, this will save all of this information into your account. Next, we have authorized representative. So this is the authorized representative or the contact's main point of contact within your account. So go ahead and just put in that information here. And if anyone should need to contact you or contact anyone related to this account, they will do so using this information. Next, we have call and voicemail settings down here on the left. So once you have your custom phone number set up and you are ready to start doing outbound dialing from the account, one of the really cool things you can do within the platform is uploading a custom voicemail. So whether you want prospects to do a certain sequence of steps after they have called you, or you just want to put a friendly, sorry we missed your call message, you can go ahead and pre-record that message on your computer and then upload that MP3 or WAV file in here. And then after hitting save call settings and after your phone number is set up, any prospects that phone that contact number and try and get a hold of your company and fail to get a hold of you will have this custom voicemail played for them rather than the default phone carrier message. Next, we have general settings or a collection of general settings in here. Please feel free to go through these one by one and disable or enable any of these settings that you think you may require. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll be more than happy to provide any more information on these. However, we do recommend leaving make SMS compliant by adding an opt-out message, make SMS compliant by adding a sender information, and make email compliant by adding an unsubscribe link to your email enabled at all times. Most regions now in the world require things like an opt-out message and sender information on outbound communications from companies. So we do recommend that you keep these enabled and make sure the messaging inside is compliant to the region of where you're living. However, these messages are completely customizable. And if you click on customize, you'll be prompted here with a text box, which you can type in anything you'd like, and then you can hit save. And once you hit save, that message will now be pre-populated within this box. And for example, any SMS messages that are sent out will get this message sent out in all your SMS messages. Finally, we have missed call text back. And essentially what this is when a contact will phone your customized phone number after your phone number has been set up, the platform will automatically send out a missed call text message. So the prospect will receive a text message, in this case saying, hi, this is location name. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? So this is the text box where you can actually go ahead and fill in whatever you need to. You can also test this feature by entering in your mobile phone number here and clicking send text, and this will send the text here as a test to that phone number so you can see how it looks. Once you're happy with this, if you go ahead and click on save missed call text message settings, this will save this to your account, and now any customer that contacts your phone number on the account, providing it's already set up, will receive this message. And so that is all the settings within business settings and business profile settings. After you've done all this, your business profile will be fully set up. To save all the settings, once again, go ahead and click on save on each of the boxes in this page. and this will update and save all the information on your account.